Rule of thumb for cooking multiple things in a microwave at the same time? Is it possible to cook multiple things at the same time in a microwave, and how do I adjust the cooking time? What if the two items are identical? Do I double the time or multiply it by some other factor? What if the two items are different and have different individual cooking times?
For different food types, there is no single correct answer, as it is very dependent on the specific microwave energy absorption and reflectance characteristics of each item, food and container. In the microwave oven, it's possible to put one item in which has a high absorbency and one with a low absorbency, and to have one fully cooked and the other still cold, e.g. a potato placed in a ceramic bowl, and a sausage on a glass plate, would result in a hot sausage, and a cold potato, assuming the sausage and potato are of the same weight. For similar food types, a general multiplication is required, but not exactly by weight, as each microwave oven has an efficiency to food and weight exponential curve. You will find the result of this out by experience with the oven. This rule applies somewhat to normal thermal convection ovens too, e.g. 250 grams of potato takes 6 minutes in your microwave oven, then 500 grams may take 9 minutes, not 12 minutes, and 1 kilogram may take only 12 minutes, until you reach the equilibrium point of no further improvement, about 1 kilogram for my domestic microwave oven. We enjoy pot pies, and when we are in a hurry, sometimes put 2 in the microwave at the same time. Usually it takes 7 to 8 minutes per pie. If 2 are in the oven at the same time, same size 2, I multiply the time times 1.5. Generally it works out well. Happy cooking!